Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for participating in this interview. Please feel comfortable and honest during your conversation. By the way, I am Teacher Balinit.
And I am Ara M. Kogo.
I am Marie sir.
And you are.
I'm Marlon Del.
So, how are you today, sir?
I'm good.
How long have you been working with this organization, sir?
Almost 2 years.
Yes. Matagal-tagal na. How's your experience working here been so far, sir?
So far so good. Okay naman.
We have some questions about how technology impacts your work, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Your answers will really help us understand the on how technology affects your work. So, here's our question number one. In what ways do you think the internet helps productivity in the office? Like, paano nakakatulong sa iyo ang internet in finding information you need for your works?
So, ang internet ay nakakatulong sa office work, syempre para mas mapabilis at mapagaan or maging efficient yung work. Nakakatulong din to sa mga employees para makapag-share ng information and makapag-chat sa coworkers instantly and makapag of course makatapos ng mga projects in real life.
Okay, sir. Can you tell a time or describe when online research helped you solve a problem or make a decision in your works? Or do you remember a situation where you used the internet to find information that helped you fix a problem or make a choice like finding helpful information online?
Yep. So, may times na like for example, syempre sa IT kami, so mayroong times na may problema sa like sa printers or sa isang software na ginagamit dito sa bank. So, nangyari, if ever na hindi namin alam on how to solve yung issue, we have to research, syempre, through using internet. So, by researching, so makita namin kung on how we can resolve that issue.
Thank you, sir.
How do you assess the information you find online or practical?
So, able to assess or to know if it's credible. So, siyempre may mga information na like nowadays na hindi talaga totoo. So, we have to check like kung sino yung source na yun, kung sino yung tao or na pinost niya na information. So, ang gagawin is pwede nating i-check yung like kung may email ad siya, so pwede natin silang isendan ng email to confirm kung sila talaga yun. And at the same time, kung may number sila, we can call them to confirm. And at the same time, kung meron din mga comments, minsan kasi doon may mga comments din sa page nila na we can na parang guide na din natin to know kung talagang ano siya, kung credible siya.
Last question, sir. Can you give an example of how the internet has changed the way you appeals a specific task of project at work?
Okay, so may mga tasks like yun nga, may mga tasks ng IT, so may mga troubleshootings na ginagawa kami like sa mga network dito sa like mga printers and other softwares na ginagamit. So, yun, through research, through research, malalaman na on how to resolve such issue.
So thank you so much, sir, for taking the time to talk with us today.
Good.
Thank you, sir.